Good morning, children. How are you all? Hoping you are happy and healthy. It's my pleasure to introduce to you all. My name is Shravani Rajanala, and I was working as functional English and life skills trainer at AP Social Welfare Residential School at Chellapalli in Krishna district. Okay, my dear children, a small question for you. Are you ready? Children, can you please tell me, apart from computers and telephones, what is the other way of sending messages and packages to our friends who are in distant places? Please think once. Children, how will you send your messages and packages if there is no computers and telephones? Yes, it's a post office which helps us from olden days to send mails, letters and packages. Okay children, here is the image for you. This is called post office, and here is the man carrying a package to post office. Children, the postal department is belonged to central government. Here we have two types of government, central government and state government. The postal department is belongs to central government. The main purpose of post office is sending mails, letters and packages to distant places. Children, it's also very important to learn how to converse with postal clerk related to postal services. Yes, if you want to send your mails, letters or packages, you need to go to post office. Later, you have to converse with postal clerk. So, it's very important for you to learn this topic. See children, here there are some of the related services which are available in post office. The post office will provide a post box to send letters to our beloved friends. We can also get different types of stamps from post office. The availability of ordinary, registered and speed post are given here. When we want to send a letter, mail or package, that will be weighed by postal clerk. So here is the machine to weigh our letters, packages and mails. It will declare the suitable stamp. Parcels and letters will be delivered to our door with the help of postal services. Some of the means of transport that are related for postal department are shown on the screen. Observe it. Yes, our topic is at the post office. That means you must learn how to converse with the postal clerk. Children, when you enter the post office, you have to wish the postal clerk. So, listen it carefully. Good morning, sir. How can I help you? You have to answer in this way. Good morning, ma'am. I need to mail this package to New Delhi, please. Okay, let me see how much it weighs. It weighs 500 gram. Is it? Can you please tell how much is it for the stamp? Yes, children, you have to know how much the cost of stamp required for your letter. Would you like to send it by speed post or ordinary post? I would like to send it by ordinary post. Children, here you have three types of post: ordinary post, registered post and speed post. Ordinary post will take long period to receive by the receiver. Speed post, it will be sent in the way of speed. So you have two options. So the postal clerk is asking your declaration. It's 142 rupees. Do you need anything else? Yeah, I almost forgot. I need new stamps too. See, listen, Nana. You have to get few stamps too. That means stamps are available in post office. Whenever if you go for post office, apart from sending letters, mails and packages, you can also gather some stamps there. Okay, your amount comes to 182 rupees. It's okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. So this type of conversation you have to learn to converse with postal services. So children, I think now you are perfect about post office. So could you please try to answer for some questions which are given in this assignment. See, here is the assignment which is related to the topic at the post office. I gave you 5 questions, children. Each question carries 2 marks. Come on, tell me, what is the main purpose of the post office? Children, I think you can easily answer this question. And who will look after the post office transactions? This is also a very easy question. You can answer it. And the third question, how can the stamp declared for packages and mails in post office? And fourth question, which government leads the postal department? And the last question, explain some of the mail related services in post office. You have another 2 more questions. That is very easy questions. Just describing the pictures. Each carries 5 marks. So you can do it easily. See, here is the picture which is related to the post office. I think you are very clever and you can easily catch what's going in image. Each question carries 5 marks. So, understand the picture and explain it. And another one more picture for you. You have to describe this picture. I think it is very related to your day-to-day life.